friends, welcome back to my channel. Actually, welcome to my channel because this is brand new, so there's no back. You are here the first time. I'm Allison. I am a wedding photographer and a bunch of other stuff. I'm pretty crafty and I have been thinking about Barbie's wedding for some time now. And while this is nothing like I planned, I really love how it came out and it was really fun doing everything. I wanted to show you behind the scenes of everything, like what all went into it, because every little thing I made, you know, when your childhood friend gets married, you have to step in and step up. I hope y'all don't think I'm for real, because Barbie is not real, but we are in quarantine, and what else do I have to do besides pretend like the Barbie I played with when I was 5 is getting married? I typically post videos about photography and photography education, but I have had requests from my Instagram followers for other things like DIYs and how to bake pies and how to sew and stuff like that. So here we are. Be sure to subscribe so you can get notified whenever I post new videos, new content. It's gonna be premium, I promise. With that being said, I hope you enjoy all the behind the scenes of the making of Barbie's dream wedding. All the dreams came true, and if you're a pink lover and an ombre lover, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned. When I was 15, I made this dress out of ties and I thought I was an actual dress designer, and that is what I wanted to do with my life, is go to New York, be a designer. But then I came back to reality. I like having a yard and animals in my yard, so here I am. also wanted to use a Barbie that wasn't blonde because growing up, I felt like that was the only pretty one. Like that's the only one anyone liked. And that's just not the case. This Barbie, so beautiful. I just love how the whole thing came out. Between making Barbie's dress and the veil and doing her hair and doing Ken's boutonniere and doing the circle arch and doing the bouquet and making the officiant dress, that took probably 10 hours. So the fact that I can get it smushed down into 15 minutes is an absolute Christmas miracle. P.S. If you're a bride of mine, feel free to bring your dog. I feel like they should be in every aspect of your life, including your wedding. And what's funny is my family talked about it like it was an actual wedding. My husband, he was like, we're gonna be late for Barbie's wedding. And my mom, she was asking, so what time is Barbie's wedding tomorrow? It was the cutest thing. I also wanted a female officiant because girl power, and I feel like Barbie can do it. Blonde Barbie. I call all the Barbies Barbie. Really, this Barbie is named Nikki, but I call her Barbie. I think it's like an umbrella term. I don't know. What do you call all Barbies Barbie, or do you like call Skipper, Nikki, Chelsea? I don't know any others except for Ken. I don't call Ken Barbie. Let me know. Fun fact, my dream wedding to shoot is actually Taylor Swift's, but I guess I'm just gonna have to settle for this inanimate object. I wanted Barbie's wedding colors to be pink and ombre because I'm obsessed with pink, and I feel like Barbie is too because that's all she wears. Felt like an actual floral designer, except I know an actual floral designer could do better. I actually wanted a florist to do all of this for me, but we are in the quarantines of 2020, and I don't know if you know this or not, but literally everything is closed, nothing's available. So I just had to use the resources I had in my house, and I did order all of those little florets from Amazon. Of course, I sanitized them the minute they arrived because nobody needs Rona. So I just used everything, like the fabric I already had. I already had the Barbies because they've already been planning this. I've just been waiting for the right moment, and I think it's now because I have plenty of time. What do I have more than right now? Time. Shooting Barbie's wedding took me 4 days because I kept losing light and I wanted all the sunshine in all of the photos. It was worth it though. It was very hard making Barbie and Ken look like they were in love when they literally cannot make a facial expression. My husband actually helped a lot with moving her down the aisle while I did the stop motion film and stuff like that. The kiss was a little more advanced. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these little sneak peeks and behind the scenes. You can check out more on my blog, linked below. I did all of the poses I would do with a regular couple, so it's kind of funny, like the veil toss, prom pose, all the things, even with a dog. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications. You can also check out these other videos. There's no udders in them. Promise. You can also check out these other videos and If you want a fast pass to subscribe, click my face. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next week. Toodles!